Hi everyone, this is Oleg from prepin.ai, and today I would like to show you how you could practice for your real interview with the help of prepin.ai. First of all, what you need to do, you need to navigate to prepin.ai website and you will see this landing page. So basically there is a short introduction about the platform. You could read it more, and today let's log in and I will show you what is it about. First of all, on the interview dashboard, you could see that there are two types of the interviews that you could create. First of all, you could create your custom interview and choose from the templates. Basically, let's choose from the templates and see what kind of templates do we have. We have a bunch of templates in different areas like consulting, business, blockchain, finance, legal, etc. And each interview consists of different interview types. So basically, you could see that there are, if in legal, you will select, you could see the regulatory compliance, legal ethic discussions, etc. So there are a bunch of different categories. You could select any kind of interview and practice. Each template has a different interview duration. So for example, if you go to the engineering, most of them are 20 minutes. Okay, let's go to finance and see there are pretty short questions with the 5 minutes long, 10 minutes long, 5, 20, etc. We could get back to the main dashboard and see that there is a custom interview button, or you could use this button. This helps you to create a custom interview and practice for specific positions that you would like. First of all, it consists from the three parts. First of all, you need to choose the position details. Then you need to upload your resume and select interview type. Let's select the position that you would like to interview for. Basically, as a part of functionality, Prepin has the interview dashboard, interview Kanban board, where you could apply your positions that you already interviewed or just send your application and track everything in one place. So you could just select whatever that you already have. For me, it will be architect lead at TikTok, for instance. As you can see from here, it's parsing all of these categories and show me what are the key responsibilities, required skills, and preference skills. Okay, looks good. Let's move on. Let's upload my resume. Basically, you could drag and drop it here or select it if you already uploaded it. Your resume also parse it, and you could see the categories like the main skills, your education experience. The most important part is that all of your sensitive data is removed, like your mobile phone, email, and we are not storing such kind of data. Let's move on and choose the interview type. There are 6 main interview types. One of them is the general interview. This one you could practice for free subscription. All the other you could see only if you are at starter or professional subscription. Let's submit the general interview. Here is our interview board. Let's start. Here we need to allow our microphone and camera and join the interview. Short interview guide, what each button is doing. Let's start it. Basically, there are two modes. Manual, where you need to push and hold the button, or auto. In this, specific for this session, I choose the manual mode, and just to make some pauses and explain you what's happening here. I'm doing great, thank you. What about you? So the main and important part here is the interview copilot. If you hit this button, you will get the hint on the latest question that your interviewer asked you. And this is the suggestion. So I will use it for now. As a tech lead at TikTok, I would leverage my diverse skill set in software development and testing to drive project success. My experience with tools such as Jira, Azure Data Studio ensures efficiency, project management, and collaboration. I would stop at this specific point. At the top right corner, you could see that we could end the interview or when the time reached out. So let's end it. It could take up to 2 minutes, depends on the length of the interview. For us, it would not take so much time, so let's see the feedback. Here is the feedback. There is a feedback summary, which consists from summarization of all of the fields that we have here. There are different areas like technical skills, problem-solving, communication, cultural fit, also some strengths and concerns, and rated skills. Because my interview was only 20 seconds, so basically we did not get a really good feedback. The most important part here is the emotion analysis. So you could see that during interview, the candidate was really engaged, was camera focused, and showed his confidence. Voice analysis is one of our features that we have. It took a little bit longer than average analysis. So as you can see, we need 2-3 more minutes to get the conversational analysis. Here is this transcript and overall assessment. If I will refresh the page and check the voice analysis, as you can see it right here, it's already here. So there is a question ratio, token speed, average patience. So a lot of interesting data that will be helpful to you to build your confidence. Let's get back to the main page and let me show you 2 interesting parts. So second one is that we have a job tracker. This is what I already mentioned. So here you could just drag and drop all of your applications and submit it. Also, what we have the Chrome extension. Using this Chrome extension, you could automatically go to the LinkedIn and automatically add the job to the job tracker, or even try mock interview directly from the LinkedIn. You could just install the extension and then hit the button try mock interview. After that, you will be able to try this interview for this specific position. Question bank. This is something that you could practice and learn more about specific position or specific company. There are a lot of questions about top tech companies and not only tech. So as you can see here, there is a main, like for categories like behavioral, for example, and there are a bunch of companies. Let's filter everything by Google and see what are questions there. This is the question itself. There is explanation, suggested answer, and alternative answer. Basically, that's it for today. If you will have any other questions, feel free to ask me directly under this video. Thank you.